Is your Dell laptop shutting down mid-meeting? Your charger might be underpowered. Did you know? A charger below 130W can cause your laptop to underperform. Using an XPS 15 with just a 65W charger, that's why your laptop overheats or lags. The right charger for Dell 130W power, USB-C PD technology, no compromises. Plug it in and charge, no low-watt warnings, no overheating. Whether it's Dell Precision, XPS, or Latitude, this one slim charger powers them all. One charger to rule them all, compatible with all premium Dell models, from XPS 15 to Precision 5750. Perfect for business trips, slim, lightweight, and travel-friendly. Fast charging, compact, durable, and 100% USB-C PD compliant. See this message? That means your charger isn't powerful enough for your Dell. This is what you need. A proper 130W USB-C PD 3.0 charger. One charger for everything. Dell XPS, Latitude, Precision. The choice of tech pros. You spent a fortune on your Dell laptop, but still using a cheap low-watt charger? Don't let a bad charger slow your high-end device. 12. Compared to the Dell OEM charger? Same power, same safety, 30% more affordable.